Hello everyone, welcome to my garage. We're going to be fixing a flat tire today. Okay, some things you need to have: tire levers, you need them. Obviously a new tube, and gloves. I'll get to that in a second. Also a tire pump. Now to start off, I'm going to take the tire lever. It's going to go right inside the bead of the tire here, and you're going to push it around the rim, just like so. All the way around. You're going to come to the other side. You're going to push your fingers and pop it off the wheel. This tire is dirty. I like to ride. Put that off to the side. Now we're going to put our gloves on. Reason for this is that we're going to check for thorns or any debris that's inside the tire. Make sure that we don't puncture it again. So let's take this tire out. Pull it off to the side. And I'm going to take my hands and I'm going to rub on the inside just like that, real slowly. And I wear gloves because I don't want it to hit my fingers. I want it to hit the glove. Another thing you can use is cotton. Take a piece of cotton and rub it on the inside. And if it catches, you know where it's at. Just checking. Sometimes the thorns come in and they come out. So I'm just checking really quick. I don't find anything, so we're pretty good there. I'm going to take the tire, the new one, unravel it, and use my pump. This type of pump has two fittings on there. One for Schrader, which we're going to use right now, which is like a car tire, and one for Presta. That is a like a foreign European style of valve. Put that on there, lock it. The pump's here. And it's nice and round. Undo that. Place the tire on the inside. What I like to do sometimes is right where the valve is located, put where the tire pressure is. Usually the tire pressure is going to give you a range, not exactly like 45 pounds. It'll have like a range of 35 to 65 pounds. And make sure that if you have a quick release, it's on the left-hand side, and we're going to find where the hole is right here in a second, right there. And make sure your tread pattern is going the right way. Okay, so we put the valve in first, just like so. And you get the tire bead on the one side. And then we start pushing it in on the other side. Like so. So now we're inside the rim. And we're going to pump it up slowly because sometimes the bead can pop off the rim. We want to make sure that does not happen. Also, when we pump the tire up, we might make sure it's round. It's not ovalized when we put it on. Okay, check it real quick. So I'm checking to make sure the bead is seating, which means it's sitting inside that rim. So I'm going to spin it and notice that it's not wobbling or anything like that. It's actually perfect right now, as you can see. Okay. I'm going to pump up some more. This particular tire is going to need 40 psi. I'm able to use one hand because it's an easy pump to use. Right there. And it's now perfect. Good to go. Take care, guys. Hopefully this little tip will help you out. If you have any questions, please leave some questions and I can get back to you. There'll be some other videos from other little tips coming up. Have fun out there on your bike. Take care.